Kia ora. For Maori e whānau, wānau, hānau. Doesn't matter where you're from, whichever region you are from. You hold the mana to your reo from your region. Nō reira, tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou katoa. Each cooking dinner. Yeah. So, as I was sort of saying last week, wrapping up my final sort of flat on Facebook, I'm going to chuck them all up on YouTube. All of our place names and pronunciations. So, what is tonight's place name that we are going to look at? It's a very simple place name. This one is up north, just out of Moirawa, on your way to Kerikeri. Alright, just before Highway. Okay, this is a simple place. A nice beautiful little church there with Nurupa on the left hand side as you're heading out towards Kaikohe. Alright, it's called Pakaraka. Okay, Pakaraka. It's not Pakaraka, as it is quite often mispronounced. So just repeat after me. Pa, ka, ra, ka. Very easy, very simple, very basic. Pa, ka, ra, ka. Alright, now just in terms of the vowels and how you pronounce those, they're all short. There's no stressed vowels. There's no vowel that sounds like an A, as in like apple, as an apple. Okay, as it's pronounced. Pakaraka. Bloody Australian twang. I can get away from that crap. Alright, so it's pa, ka, ra, ka. Alright, Pakaraka, Pakaraka. Sure, easy, very simple. Don't be so bloody lazy. Pakaraka, Pakaraka. Sure.